To unbox this Pery Smith, which I got from 11th Street. So let's find out if this product is genuine. I got it for RM104, and I think the normal price is around 300 something. So, but the sale is only 104 ringgit. So let's open what's inside, and it's really genuine. And it comes with this paper, 11th Street, Pery in the USA. And here I got. So the bags is quite good looking. Let's see what's inside. And oh, this is how it looks inside. So it comes with a stainless with free stainless pot, or I don't know how they call it, kettle. And this is the thing inside. Let's open this. It's perfectly bubble wrapped. And this is it. So I don't know if I should open everything. I think so. Be sure I cut the wire. There we go. Ooh, looks great. It's a glass, and it has the bag. It looks like this, and it has 100 series, made in USA, trademark product, made in PRC, USA trademark product. Means it's made in China, but it's designed in US. So this is how it looks. It has it's a glass, so it's a touch. It has a sensor inside. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options, and it has this volume up and timer and child lock, and I think that's it. It's crystal clear, and after, yeah, I think that's it. And it looks good. I should try and maybe let you know if you wish to see how it works. That's all.